Okay, so tell me, how are you doing?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. And how about you?
Yes, I'm fantastic too. Thank you for asking. So, how was your day today?
Yeah, it was not so much productive because I didn't have any session today so far. So I can say now I can make my day productive after talking to you. Let's see.
Oh, okay, that's great. Even what happens, I also try to, connect with people. But as you
Hmm.
already know that on Skype we are suffering a lot of problems. So that's
Hmm,
why I
exactly.
tried
Yeah.
on Zoom. So
Everyone is facing that kind of problem,
yeah.
obstacle, and unable to get the recording. So that's why all the people are frustrated to talk with the people and having that kind of session. Sometimes we can get and sometimes we don't get.
Hmm.
Like yeah.
Okay, so this is our first session. So could you give your short introduction?
Yeah, of course, yeah, definitely. So, as you know, that my name is Sushma. I am a homemaker. I'm belong to Delhi and blessed with two children. And talking about my qualifications, so I have done my graduation from Delhi University. And as far as my hobbies are concerned, so nowadays, because I am totally engrossed in this language, so for that, I most of the time try to use, try to watch the conversational videos and that type of English content so that I can enhance or elevate my communication skills. Yeah, that's all about myself in a nutshell. Thanks for asking.
Okay, that's great. So may I ask, are you giving this kind of training or coaching kind of things, or you are just here just for learning purpose?
Yeah, I'm just for learning purpose. I don't have any goal right now. So later we can see like whenever I will be perfect. So that time I will think about that. So
Yes.
first of all, I am here only for improving my communication skills or elevate my spoken part.
Okay, okay, perfect. Okay, so now it's my turn. My name is Tanuja
Yeah.
and I'm from Bhopal city. It is in MP, and currently I'm a working professional in one of the IT company. And along with that, I'm running my YouTube in my free time. And apart from this too, in my free time, I love to do drawing, dancing, and sometimes traveling. That's all about me.
That's good. Yeah, I forgot also like mention here. I have also just started my YouTube channel, name that Communicate Aura. So just it's completed only 15 to 16 days. So for improving myself only. I just created that for improving myself because in that way we can improve.
Hmm.
I realized after 15 or 16 months. Sorry, days. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely, you are right. Because I am also doing this kind of practice for a very long time. For me, it's more than a year. So I can see the differences just because of YouTube
Hmm.
assistant also. Because sometimes it happens we have the particular goal, like yes, we have to upload our videos on channel, and also we try to improve ourselves just because we feel that other person are listening to us. So it should be
Hmm.
like we shouldn't do that much of mistakes, or we should reduce our
Oh,
mistakes so that people can
right.
learn from your side as well. So that's
Exactly.
a great method actually.
Yeah, it is a great method, because most of the people they are trying to learn this language so while observing or while watching these kind of conversational video. As I noticed, or I also improved while watching this kind of videos. So I acquired lots of fancy word and like lots of like how to reply the questions. So in that manner, like we can also get knowledge about the like. In which context we have to use the same word, like different type of context we have to use because there are many meanings of a one word. So we have to think about the context, in which context we have to use that word. So this kind of knowledge I most of the time get from those kind of videos.
Yeah.
So now I'm learning. Yeah. I
Hmm.
am in this journey. Hmm.
To be honest, I hardly get time to, focus on English speaking only. But still, I try because I know that it's very important for my career also because I'm already working in IT company. So here it's a mandatory.
Oh, that is.
Yeah,
Hmm.
so because of that, I was struggling a lot in my initial days. So that's why I thought, why
Hmm.
not to learn this language and to improve ourselves? Because I know that because of lack of this language, or I can say lack of communication, uh, I got rejected in many of the places, and I left so many opportunity as well when it comes to speak
Hmm.
something. So I have observed
Exactly.
these things a lot, but yeah, still I'm trying, and I have
Hmm.
improved little.
Exactly. The bookish knowledge is different thing, and the spoken part is totally different. We
Hmm.
can't say, if we have a knowledge about the all the concept of the grammar or all the thing, our written part is like well, but we can't say that that is okay to speak in English. But the spoken part is totally different. So
Yeah.
we have to work on it, and then after practicing, after speaking, we can get over from this kind of problem, this spoken part, like where we are lacking. So
Hmm.
in that way, because speaking is must. You
Yeah.
can't say that, okay, if I have knowledge about everything, so we are able to speak. No, we are not able to speak without speaking, because speaking comes by speaking.
Yeah.
So this is the matter. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So that's why, I also like use other applications like Ace Fluency or Josh Talk for only improving my spoken part. So
Hmm.
in that way, I am trying to improve. Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, yeah, definitely you can improve. And I think nowadays, like now I can see that you are speaking well, but we need to be, more fluent and advanced in this language because it's a very vast, I can say. So we can't say that we know everything. Yeah.
It is endless process, we can say. Learning English is an endless process.
Yeah.
Every time we have to get new word and new vocabulary, anything else. Like every time.
Yeah.
We can't say, okay, we are perfect in that. No, we never perfect in that, because no one is here to, like, no one is here for perfection. Or we can't say that that person is perfect in this language. No, we have to, like, get acquire knowledge every time.
Yes. Yes.
So it's a totally endless process. Every time we have to try to learn the things, new things.
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay. So, may I ask, like, do you have any specific plan in your future that you want to continue something or you want to start something?
To be honest, I haven't thought about that yet. First of all, I have to improve my communication skill. When I will perfect in that, so then I will think about that. But still, I don't have any plan to do anything, because if we are perfect in this, so I will think about the taking the tuition classes. If I so that is the one option only. So otherwise, I will, or I have one option to, like, I want to open my own boutique. So in that way, we have to be fluent in English, because we don't know which type of customer we have to face in future. So in that way, we should have that kind of knowledge about the English, so then I can deal with our customers or with our, like, client. So for that, because if we go to open that kind of boutique in the high society area, so maybe we have to face in that kind of situation. We can be like, we will be come across that kind of people with whom we are dealing with speaking English. So in that way, I want to improve, or yeah, in future, let's see it will complete or not. So but I'm proving, because now, so far I am very content to my achievement, whatever I have achieved, because now I am able to convey with the people easily in English. So yes, then, and then I have also improved myself. I will also improve myself in, like, advanced level. Now I am okay with the simple language.
Hmm.
So yeah, it will take time, because nothing will happen overnight.
Yes, yes, you are right.
Yeah.
Even I feel the same thing. Like I can talk and I can speak like the basic English, but still I need more improvement on myself so that I will become more advanced speaker. But yeah,
Hmm.
to be honest, as I mentioned that I hardly get time, but still I am in touch with this language so that we can speak properly. Otherwise, it happens when we break our consistency for some days, then it's really get difficult to come back on our fluency because it's not our
Exactly.
mother tongue, so we are not speaking every time. So that's why.
Yeah, I also faced that. In between, I erratic my practice. So,
Hmm.
like, for 2 to 3 months. So then I realized my fluency, got decreased that time. So, like, I started stumble. I started fumble again after, like, because this is not our first like native language. This is our second language. So it happened that if we don't do practice, so we have to face this kind of problem. We can fumble and we can forget the words, and we are not ready to make a simple sentence in a proper way.
Hmm.
It is possible that we can fumble
Yes.
after erratic practice. So yeah, in that way, like, we should be consistent here, because consistency should be there. Otherwise, you will not perfect in this language or fluent in this language, because consistency is the key of success if we like leave that consistency, so yeah, we can, decrease our fluency, our knowledge, or everything.
Yes, yes, it works for every work. It's not only about
Mm,
English, but it
yeah.
works.
Since I'm totally from Hindi medium, school or college. All the subjects were in Hindi except English.
Yeah, I can totally relate you because I have also done my schooling and college in Hindi medium, so that's why I can totally relate this thing. And in my initial days, I used to think that Hindi medium people can't speak English, and it would be
Ah, yeah,
difficult to learn.
exactly.
But nowadays, I have even seen some of the good YouTuber also and good trainer or like teachers. They are from Hindi medium, but now they are on the top level and they are speaking so well and like their level is
Mhm.
so high now. So
It
it's
dep- yeah, it
it's
depends on the practice, practice and consistency.
yeah.
So yeah, these are the keys of success or nothing else.
Hmm.
Okay, so let me know like for improving your communication skill after speaking the people. So what do you do? We are using this Skype application, I think. So what do you do then and extra things?
So to be honest, I'm not doing extra efforts. I just do one conversation, every day or sometime alternative days. And before going to bed, I listen one English content. It can be related to sometime my study or sometime related to anything like sometime story or podcast or anything. Just do two things only. I do it regularly.
Okay, so are you surrounded with the with those people like who speak in English every time or this kind of like scenario you have
No, no.
in your at
In
your
my
workplace?
At my workplace, when I have any meeting, so then only we speak in English language because it's a formal meeting, so we have to speak in English. Otherwise, yeah, most of my colleagues are from actually they are from different countries and state also. So that's why I need to talk with them in English. Otherwise, like it's a mandatory for me because they don't understand my language, so that is the main reason.
Mhm. Yes, it's
So
good
have you
because
ever
you
talked
are
with
you.
native speaker?
Sorry.
Have you ever talked with native speaker?
No, no, no. I haven't talked yet. I have talked only once. Like I had a visitors 2 years ago. I had a visitors. So with them I talked, and that was wonderful conversation because most of the time they spoke only the very simple language. So I could easily understand what they wanted to say to me. So it was good, but then after I haven't tried because I haven't gone anywhere to talk with the people. I just say, so I am thinking I should join any kind of that kind of platform with whom I can talk with the native speakers. There are different kind of platforms are available, but that is paid.
Yeah.
That those are paid. So I'm thinking like that, but I haven't tried that yet. Yeah. So,
And
but it's a good thing if we are able to understand the people, native speakers. So it is good.
yeah, because
Yeah,
I know that
we
most of
should
the
try.
time it's bit difficult to understand them because their accent is totally different and sometimes they speak very fast. Because my manager is also from USA. So whenever I talk with him,
Oh,
I struggle a lot. Sometimes I need to be more concentrated at the time, then only I can understand him. Otherwise, it's really difficult sometimes.
yes, yes. But you are lucky that you have a chance to talk with the native speakers.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, in your workplace, at your workplace. So you work from home or just you have to go to the office on daily basis?
Yeah, actually my location is in Delhi, but currently I'm doing work from home, so I'm in my hometown.
Okay, in Delhi, where? Where are you living in Delhi? Because I'm also belong to the
Not in Delhi, it
from
is in
Delhi.
Noida. So
Noida, okay, yeah. Yeah, Noida, there are lots of MNC companies are available over there. I know.
most of the IT
Yeah.
companies are there. So that's why.
Yes, yes.
How's the
So
weather
you live there alone or with your family?
here?
Here, yeah, in Delhi, in Noida.
No, no,
Do you live there alone?
I was
Mm-hmm.
living in PG.
PG, yeah. Your native like uh, village, native place is another place, I think.
Yes,
You
basic.
are just there job purpose, no?
Yes, yes. For job purpose, I lived there. But during the
Hmm.
COVID only, I got the work from home opportunity. And now it is sometimes hybrid model. Like 2 days we have to go to office and other
Hmm.
than we can do work from home. So like this method only. And So
Hmm.
this is the
Yeah,
way
that's
that
good.
we are doing. So nowadays I'm in my hometown, so that's why I can save my time and I can utilize in some other way also.
Okay, nowadays you are from your home, like real home or hometown. Still,
No, it's not like
you
that.
are taking this meeting from that place.
Yeah, I'm here from my hometown.
Hello.
Hello.
Hmm. Ah, okay, okay. Mhm.
Okay, so how is the weather in
Am
Delhi?
I audible? Am
Mm-hmm.
I? Yeah, it is little bit hot if we talk about the outside. So it is little bit hot if we talk about the inside because I most of the time stay inside. So I feel little bit cold. I have to wear full sleeves, t-shirt. So but outside it's hot. If we go outside, so we feel hot. So
Hmm.
it like summer has started. So now in the May we have to like face lots of scorching hot. We will have to face.
I have
Yeah.
I have heard that if we compare from our place, so Delhi is comparatively very high temperature there. So
High temperature, yeah. Nowadays, like in this scenario, like if we talk about the June, July, month of June, July, so it crossed, I think 40, 45 crossed in that temperature. Like till 50 we can imagine in fifth like July and August. June, July, that is the very hard, very, very scorching hot days in June,
for
July.
the native people, it's fine that they can manage and their body get adjusted at that place. But for the visitor and who are from different
Yeah, for the visitors, because whenever someone asks me, okay, what is the correct time to visit Delhi? So I suggested in the February to March, and then after November. Otherwise, they feel very hot here, and they are unable to go outside for visiting purpose. For visiting purpose, like any kind of monument, if they want to visit over there, so it is very difficult to go outside in the afternoon days.
yes.
Afternoon time with yeah, for like June, July, August, September. 4 days. It is very hot.
Yeah.
These are the hottest month we can say of the year in Delhi.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Here also it's a bit hot, I can say, but not like Delhi.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay. So like when you talk with the people like surrounded, so do you have any hesitation to talk with them when when you speak on a meeting in your meeting whenever any type of meeting you have to
Mm-hmm.
attend, so in that way you have to speak in English, right? So in like that time there is some hesitation inside you or in your speaking, or just you are familiar with the people.
Oh, still I feel hesitation sometimes, especially when I have to speak in a group meeting. Like individual talk is fine that I am now comfortable so I can talk. But when it comes to like group call or everybody is speaking, because most of the people are from different country
Mhm.
in my team. So what happens? Like everybody's
Mhm.
accent is totally different. Some are from USA, some are from China, some are from different countries
Mhm.
as well. So it's a bit hard, sometimes they are speaking, so their accent is totally different, their accent is totally different, and we are the person we don't know English that much. So it is bit hard at that time, but I need to be more concentrated that time. Then
Mhm.
only I can understand them properly. But that time I hesitate, to be honest. Still, I need to gain more
Yes.
confidence so that I can speak.
Hmm. Yeah, confidence is must, without confidence, so we can't speak properly. Because in that time, if we have that kind of, hesitation to talk with it, so we fumble that time
Yeah.
due to that hesitation.
Like here we
Yeah.
are speaking, so I'm here just for learning purpose. So I can make mistakes and I can rectify it. But there I need to be more
There, yeah.
yes, I shouldn't do this kind of mistakes because here,
Uh,
yeah, I know that people can understand even if you are making some of the mistakes, so that is fine. Because in speaking, it's fine that if you are making some mistakes, but
hmm.
still it's a workplace, so I need to be more, concentrate or focused that.
Yeah. Exactly, exactly. Otherwise, you will feel very embarrassed in front of them if you are unable to make them understand and what they are saying. If you not elaborate all the thing in a proper way, so
Hmm.
it is also difficult. Yeah.
And sometimes it happens also because sometimes technical things I need to be, make them understand.
Yeah, We
That
can make excuses, okay? Yeah, that time, okay, I'm not getting your voice. Oh, the video is stuck. I have watched one reel
time.
like that. Like in that reel, if that person, that lady is like, she doesn't understand what the other one is saying, then she behaved like she pretended that she was stuck over there, and then hello, hello, hello. So because she was not getting the point of what they are saying. So in that way, we can we can say this is an advantage. This is an advantage to us. Like we can take this advantage.
Hmm.
Yeah, in that way.
Even I have also made this kind of one reel.
Okay. Oh, but suddenly I stumbled upon that video, so I thought, okay, it is also going on in that kind of meeting. Because if we are not interested to take that kind of meeting, so we can, with like, instead of making excuses, we can behave like that, pretended like that we are facing this kind of internet issue and this kind of glitches here and there. We don't know whether your side or mine.
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
somewhere funny, but still people can do this kind of things, especially they are
Because
uh,
from where we can get idea from these kind of social media, and we can, these kind of excuses, we can get idea of, oh, that will work, so we can try that.
even manager is also seeing that reel, so we can't say that. Can't put it.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's pretty long conversation. I think it's
Yeah,
I can't see.
but time is not showing here.
Yeah, I can't see the timing.
Okay, from your screen, I think in your screen it is showing
No, no, it's not showing.
time. Okay, after completing, or after stopped that meeting, that session, then you will get, right.
Let's see what happens. I'm just checking.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you so much.
thank you.
Later we will connect. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much for connecting me. It was nice conversation, wonderful conversation. I
Yeah,
enjoyed a lot.
likewise. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.
Yeah, you too.